welcome to The Hobbyist. My name is Ray. I'm going to be the host of this channel. I'm a graphic designer, maker, all around I just love to make things with my hands. Lots of different skills. I'm basically a master of none, but I know how to do so many different things, and I'm constantly making things, and that's basically what I'm going to base this entire channel around. Ever since I was a little kid, I've known to take things apart, put them back together, just to know how they worked. And nowadays, I'm all about making things from scratch, whether it be 3D printed, woodworking, metal, any kind of medium. I like to mix them together even and make some awesome do-it-yourself projects, as well as things that my wife finds on Pinterest that she really likes. Maybe sometimes I'll just recreate that for free or very, very cheap. So if that sounds like a channel that interests you, make sure to follow along on this journey, because I'll be posting a video once a week, and they'll range anywhere from simple do-it-yourself projects that you can do in an afternoon to some very intricate projects that may take some investment to even be able to create. For those projects, I'll try to also offer ways to do it. For instance, if you don't have a 3D printer, there's other options you can pursue. There's even websites where you can make your own STL files, send them to people with 3D printers. They'll print them and send them back. So this channel is going to be just basically anything that you can imagine. As far as if it's a hobby, we're going to cover it on this channel. So stay tuned, find out how this journey goes, and thank you for watching.